Okay, here we are. We just finished our second cycle with the spray, third cycle in the machine. We can take this out, wobble it again to remove excess water. There we go. We'll stick this back on the workstation, and you'll see the record is coming out nearly dry. See this? Very little water. That indicates that the restoration process is working. Much less water. So now again, 12 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 4 o'clock. And now we've had this dried out. Look how much, look what just came out. Tons of material. Look, more. So now we are removing the release agent. Before we removed the materials from whatever this record was cleaned with. We still have material on here. So that's the release agent now that we're taking. So first level is cleaning agent from other machine, and this one here is release agent. Remember I said one side had someone clean more often because we had more white material on one side? This side is finished, but someone cleaned side number 2 more than side number 1. See, it's this is nothing left. Unfortunately, one side had more cleaning, so probably vacuum cleaning on one side, not much cleaning on this side. So here we go. You can put that back into the machine. There we go, just wipe that off so we don't wet the label. And again, all of these records are at the right height. So we do not wet the label, we only go from the edge of the record to the dead wax area.